Good morning, Susan. This is Keith. I got your email this morning, and I thought it might be easier if I just created a quick video so you can look at what I'm seeing at the same time. And if this doesn't solve it, at least this may get us closer to figuring out what the issue is. So I'm logged into my demo account here, which I use for testing. And I think the first issue you brought up is about rental protection. So let me go to my customer here, and let's go to items. So with rental protection, I think you probably have the column already on. Let me turn it on in this case. So now it's on for rental protection. If I remember correctly, this is designed to just basically have a percentage of whatever item you are putting on your invoice to be reserved as some sort of a deposit. This protection, I believe, is designed to work with a profile because if I click here, it says no protection. This is actually supposed to show a list, but in this case, there are no protections in my profile. So I'm going to go here to menu and then rental protection. I don't have any for this demo account, so I'll create one. And I'm just going to call this the test, and I'll just put 25% or something like that. The percent of the protection, you used to put 25 in your example, so I'll use the same. And then this is a test just to remind me what this is for. So now that that rental protection is there, I should be able to go back to my events. And let's see, here's my John Doe event. And I can add that protection to this item. So at 25%, it looks like the rental protection comes out to $2.50 here. And this, of course, should be just multiplying or getting the percentage of this amount, and it will add up any line item that has a rental protection per that line item and give us some here. And that kind of takes us into the second question you brought up, which is, and I hope this is correct, can you directly add items to the invoice? And the answer is yes. So I'll create a fake item here. I'll just call it, say, a cotton candy machine. I'll just put one in case I want to add one later. So this does not exist in my inventory. Notice it didn't pop up with anything. And if I do go here to manage my products, if I can find the link, products and services. Oh, actually, I'm not sure you can see that because I went off screen. So let's see. I don't have the product, but I'll have to do it here. So let's go products and services. Click. Let's see. I don't have a cotton candy machine, do I? Nope. Delivery fee, bounce house, packages, and uncategorized items. So there's just an uncategorized item there. So again, let me go back to this customer, John Doe. There's the event, and I'll go back to items. So I'll create a cotton candy machine. I'll just give it a test. Let's just say we'll charge $50 for it. In this case, I could also add rental protection to it, 25%. I never saved it, so the other one didn't stick, 25%. So we have rental protection on the $10, which is $250, and then rental protection on the $50, which comes out to like 10 or something like that, whatever that is, comes out to $15. So I will hit save here. And once saved, the buttons disappeared. If I go back to my products and services, it doesn't know which category to add it under, so I think it will add it under uncategorized. So if I go view products, you'll see a cotton candy machine here. So what that means is if I go back to that customer, let's go to customers, John Doe, and I go back to items, I can now just type in cotton candy, and there it is. It pops up because it's already in my inventory. I can just hit select. So I could go ahead and define its base price in the products and settings, products and services area, and it would also come up here. So I hope that answers your question. If not, we can talk or we can go over email. Talk to you soon.